Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to save photos and videos on Snapchat. So first of all, open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner. Tap on setting to the right hand corner. Scroll down. Tap on memories. Tap on save button. And now you can select memories and camera roll, or you can select camera roll only and memories only. I want to save memories and camera roll, so I'm gonna selecting this option and tapping on back. And if you want to auto save your memories, then tap auto save my story snaps, and you have to select auto save to memories, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.